Introducing the AGARO Supreme High Pressure Washer. Blast mud off in seconds using the 1800-watt motor and 120 bars of high pressure. It features a 6.5 liter per minute flow rate and an 8-meter outlet hose. This portable car washer is perfect for cleaning your car, bike, or home. Tough on grime, easy on floors. The AGARO Supreme High Pressure Washer is a bestseller, highly rated with 4.0 out of 5 stars from over 8,000 ratings. Over 2,000 units were bought last month. Get the AGARO Supreme High Pressure Washer for $4,099.00 with 54% savings off the MRP of $8,990.00. You can also opt for EMI plans starting at $203 per month for 24 months with your HDFC Bank credit card. The 1800-watt high-pressure washer delivers 120 bars of pressure. This power allows for quick and easy removal of stubborn dirt, oil, junk, and sticky dust. The 6.5 liters per minute water flow rate, combined with the 1800 watts of power, allows for efficient cleaning of large surfaces in less time. The AGARO Supreme High Pressure Washer features an adjustable nozzle. This allows you to easily set the water spray from low to medium to high speed, adapting to your cleaning needs. It comes with a foam bottle, allowing you to easily apply foam directly through the machine. This makes it ideal for cleaning your bike, car, outdoor areas, home exteriors, and more. The machine includes an auto shut-off function. The pump automatically shuts off when the trigger is not engaged. This saves energy and prolongs the pump's life. The unit also comes with a 1-year warranty. Customers offer positive feedback, highlighting the pressure washer's good quality, value for money, and ease of use, particularly for car cleaning. However, some mixed feedback reports that the motor sometimes stops working.